Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the Trading 212 application absolutely as a complete beginner. So if you are new to Trading 212 and you don't know where to start, this complete beginner's guide is for you. So first of all, let's understand what this application actually is. So Trading 212 is an online investing platform that is basically going to let you buy and sell the stocks, the ETFs, CFDs, and investment products directly from your phone and computer. So it's popular because of its beginner friendly interface, commission free investing on the eligible assets, and fractional shares, which is going to let you invest with the smaller amounts instead of buying a whole share. So first of all, you need to download the application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then you just have to simply select the account which you are going to basically create. So all in all, you are going to see four different types of accounts. So the investment account is used in order to buy the real stocks and the ETFs for long-term investing. We have CFD, which is going to be used for the leverage trading. This carries significantly higher risk because you can lose money quickly. Then we have stocks ISA. So it is available to the eligible UK residents and it offers tax advantages on the investments. So if you are completely beginner who want a long-term wealth, who want to build a long-term wealth, the invest account is more than sufficient for you. So when you are creating your account for the very first time, you need to simply select the invest account and simply log in into your account. So when you do so, you will be shown this type of home page in front of you where you need to first of all set up your profile. So you need to provide some of your basic details. Then you need to verify your identity. Only afterwards you will be able to add funds inside your account. Now Trading 212 supports several types of payments method, including the bank transfers, the debit cards and other local payment options depending on your country. After your deposit is completed, your cash balance will appear in your account here on the home page. Now, when you have the money available, simply tap on the search bar here in the bottom. Over here, you are going to see most traded companies like we have Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple. So you can also use the search bar in order to search for the stocks that you are interested in. So you can also look for S&P 500 over here in the search bar. So simply just open the assets page in order to view its current price, the historical data and company information, analytics data, the key financial statistics before making any of the decisions. Now, one feature that beginners often like is their fractional share, which means that you don't need enough money in order to buy the entire share. Instead, you can invest almost any of the amounts and you can own a small portion of a company. So if you are interested in buying the stock, you just have to tap on the option of buy. Now, as soon as you tap on the option of buy, you will be landed on the purchase page where you need to enter either the number of shares or the amount of money that you want to invest. Then simply choose your order type. So you can choose the market order, you can choose the limit order. So market order is going to help you buy at the market price. So the price that you are seeing over here, you are going to purchasing the stock on this particular price. The limit order only buys if the price reaches to the value that you choose. We also have the option of stop order that is used when you want an order to trigger after the price reaches a specific level. So you need to review your order carefully and then tap on the option of confirm in order to place the order. Now, after buying any of the investment, you can just simply track the performance with the help of the second tab, which is called the portfolio tab. So here you are going to see the profit or the loss, the total portfolio value and recent activity. You can also sell your investments whenever the market is open by selecting your assets and tapping on the option of sell. If you want to see what other people are doing, you can tap on the option of communities. You can take a look at the feed, the communities and other people's buys. So that's how basically you can start using the Trading 212 application as an absolute beginner. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.